Soil everywhere. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Catherine, and you already saw a few clips from my morning with family. We rented a water bicycle and we just spent an hour on the river. It was just very beautiful and relaxing, and I absolutely love it. I've always loved water bicycles since childhood, and it's a very big thing for us in summer. Like, everybody rents them and spends time with friends and family. And yeah, then I actually went houseplant shopping in a big box store, so you're about to see that footage. There was not a lot of new plants, but I still enjoyed it, and I didn't buy a lot, but you will see. And then later I will unbox a houseplants from my houseplant shop here in Latvia. It's a small shop, but it's really great and it has good deals. So let's go. Unfortunately, the store didn't have a lot of new things, but I realized it has this Aglaonema Jubilee, which was 10 euros, but I still can't get over it. I want this plant so much. And then there was this philodendron and a lot of other really beautiful plants. For example, this one, I don't even know what's the name of this, and it didn't have a price tag on. And then this succulent, I want it so bad. Each time I go there, I look at it and I just really want it. And then this variegated jade plant, it's so beautiful. And other kind of like ferns or something, I don't even know what those little things are. They also have this Philodendron Brazil. I love Philodendron Brazils. They're so beautiful. And a lot of prayer plants still there, a lot of dracaenas, a lot of plants that don't even have names or have very vague names. I've realized this store is quite bad with names, and I think this one is Kala Lily. I am not really sure. Please correct me. Then there are a lot of these plants with flowers, ZZ plants, anthuriums, a lot of different bacchias, a very beautiful pothos with huge leaves. This new syngonium, I haven't actually seen it anywhere. It's 9.49, but I decided to pass this time. They also have a very beautiful ZZ Zenzi. I'm looking at it each time. A lot of snake plants, as well as fiddle leaf 3 figs. I don't know what's the price, but I've never seen a small one like this before, but I'm kind of scared of them. A lot of people say they're not for newbies and they're very fussy, and a lot of orchids for 3.49, but I was on a bike, so I decided to pass. Aglaonema, this one is very beautiful. I loved it. And then a lot of different succulents like this crassula, or I don't even know what's the name. And yeah, I only bought a few pots. A lot of very beautiful cacti. Yeah, I was looking at pots, but I didn't buy a ton because they are kind of expensive. I loved the pink ones, but yeah, just look at these cacti and snake plants. They are just so pretty. I can't. It is finally time for the unboxing, and I decided to switch places a little bit and come sit near my beautiful monstera. As you can see, it has a new leaf, which is very exciting. But yeah, I have a plant mail that I received just today, and look at this sticker. It is so beautiful. So yesterday I ordered two plants from the Latvian plant website. Her name is Augutante, which means houseplant auntie, houseplant lady, and I am just so excited. I am so happy that she shipped so fast, and I ordered 2 plants, but originally I was planning on ordering that one plant, but like I saw that shipping is $3.90 and it doesn't matter how big your package is. So I thought, you know what, if my plant is just €2 and the shipping is $3.90, like I should buy something else, you know. And I think I will go I'll have a like shopping spree there someday, but today I have 2 plants, so let's go ahead and open it. Also, excuse me if you can hear any background noises. It is very hot and humid out and the kids are playing, and like I just can't sit here with closed windows because it's insane. I would suffocate. And also in the other room my grandma is watching TV, so if you can hear any noises, I'm sorry. But yeah, I have scissors, so let's open the mail. How do you open this? You guys know how bad I am with opening packages, so yeah, this might be a little awkward. I don't know. I don't want to ruin the sticker, but I think it's inevitable, so. Oh my gosh, look inside. Oh my gosh, we have a very beautiful, I think it's Thai constellation, and it's just, yeah, it's just a card. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I will put it on my wall. Like, this is one of my wishlist plants. It is so beautiful. Then I have a receipt, I think. Yep, a receipt with plants that I ordered. A bunch of papers, so it's packed really well. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought it for my money. I would love if I had a sponsor, but like, I mean, you know. So okay, let's open the first plant that was the reason why I actually ordered from the store. So I saw that this plant is on sale. So originally it was $4.90, I think, and she sold it for €2. So it is a baby, but a very beautiful baby. I cannot. It is Epipremnum aureum marble queen / pothos marble queen, and oh my goodness, you can see it's really well packaged and it is so beautiful. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, my hands are shaking because I'm so excited. I love pothos, and my golden pothos, my normal regular golden pothos, is growing so fast that I just wanted to have a brother or a sister for it. So this marble queen is so beautiful and I cannot wait to have a huge plant. And the other plant that I got is actually this. It's really big. I didn't expect it to be so big. Yeah. Okay, there is a little bit of soil spillage everywhere, but that's okay. It is this Philodendron scandens micans, or micans. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But just look at this baby. It has so much growth, and I think this was €9, and oh my gosh. She also had babies there, but it was like cuttings and it was like €4, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna have, yeah, I thought I'm just gonna buy a big plant for €9 than one leaf cutting. So, you know, it is so beautiful. It looks so good, and so these leaves are just so velvety. Just look at it. Yeah, there are a few damaged leaves, but that's totally okay. There's just so much new growth, and I am very excited to put it on my, I'm sorry, baby. I'm very excited to put it on the hanging in a hanger. So excited. Soil everywhere. Ooh. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye!